This Midwest community is home to a storied university, the College Football Hall of Fame, and the first man-made whitewater course in North America. Now it is serving as a laboratory for an exclusive electricity experiment that could transform the way people think about and use electricity. Welcome to South Bend, Indiana, where 10,000 smart meters are showing just how smart a meter can be as they provide the brain power for a project that is the first of its kind in America. This smart meter may look like an ordinary digital meter, but it is so much more. It serves as a two-way communication device, delivering an incredible amount of usage information from the power company into the hands of the customer.
Oh, there's a ton of excitement for this project. There's a lot of talk in the industry about the smart grid, but actually getting this equipment, installing it in the field, seeing how it operates, struggling with the problems, understanding how we can make it work. And this team of folks has been through a lot in this project and has made a lot of things work that in the industry have not worked so far.
The South Bend Smart Meter Pilot Project is a test of GridSmart, a combination of customer programs and advanced technology initiatives that are transforming energy delivery and customer service. The quest is to marry technologies so customers and their power companies can move toward a more energy-efficient future.
You know, clearly AEP is in the vanguard of this movement, and we remain optimistic that this is the right technology, the right solution.
Making it all work are the strengths of AEP, Indiana Michigan Power, GE Energy Smart Meter, and Silver Spring Networks, managing the information flow.
AEP has truly done a remarkable job of being the forefront and seeing the future of smart grid by also embracing their communities and embracing their customers to empower them to make real-time decisions on their information.
Here's how it works. The GE Smart Meter installed at a customer's home measures energy usage, plus serves as a two-way wireless communication device between the customer and the power company. A 900 megahertz radio sends data to the Silver Spring networks through relays and access points mounted on poles in the distribution system. Cellular communication relays the information to Silver Spring Utility IQ Network headquarters in California. The data returns to AEP in Columbus, Ohio. It feeds distribution management systems and provides customers with information to track usage and rates. While other smart meter installations may be larger in number, they simply use the devices for automated meter reading. That's just a fraction of what AEP's GridSmart initiative is capable of delivering. To prove the capabilities, engineers at AEP's Dolan Laboratory spent 2 years testing meters, network devices, distribution components, and system software. Then it was time for a real-world test with the South Bend pilot. The design meant pushing the technology into new frontiers.
While there's only 10,000 meters in the South Bend pilot, we're doing a lot more than just meter reading. What we're doing is we're doing remote disconnect reconnect, we're doing automated outage detection and restoration, and we're also putting in distribution automation. It gives us not only the meter reading benefits and the customer service enhancements for our customers, but it allows us to operate the grid in a much more optimized way.
It clearly demonstrates the creativity and innovation of AEP to go test this. We're going to see and encourage the public to see this as an empowerment tool. It's going to give them more information to make better decisions.
For South Bend customer Carol McCann, it means she's no longer in the dark about the amount of energy she's using as she's using it.
Every day I go to the computer and I print out the usage.
Call it customer empowerment.
It's a game. Just basically overall to see what kind of electricity we're using in our house and how to cut down. A lot of things are on that don't need to be on.
What Carol sees through her web portal is just a fraction of the information running through the system. Behind the scenes, the intelligent interface can streamline, connect, and disconnect service for customers in a matter of seconds. It can send a message to check a meter to make sure it is working. Plus, it acts as an electronic sentry, scanning the distribution system to detect potential fault vulnerabilities or actual outages in a matter of minutes. No more waiting for customers to call. The power company will know when the lights go out.
They've thought we've had this system for years. They think their light shows up on the board in the office and says, "I'm out of power." It doesn't. but now it will. We'll be able to isolate that outage, send a truck to fix that outage rather than sending a truck to find the outage. And because we're sending a truck to the location where we know the problem is, we can fix that problem faster.
Beyond that, the South Bend pilot includes voluntary options like Smart Shift, featuring different rates at different times of the day, and Smart Cooling, a load management program to ease summer's peak demand. Customers who sign up receive a programmable communicating thermostat that uses the meter's two-way communication to allow the utility to turn up the thermostat by up to 4 degrees during peak times. By reducing the demand at the busiest of times, utilities can better manage current generating capacities. What follows seems a list of endless possibilities, from smart appliances triggered by time of use rates, to integration of electric vehicles and even battery storage for homes and neighborhoods. It's all vital to creating a sustainable energy future and keeping electric costs as low as possible for customers.
So I think this technology is truly transformational for the utility industry.
The information is already changing the habits of customers like Carol. She projects her savings will be the equivalent of 2 months of power bills and values helping the environment by being energy efficient. Even her mayor has become a cheerleader of sorts, urging community leaders everywhere to support the expansion of the program and its impressive benefits.
1, there's the opportunity to save money. 2, it really helps in terms of environmental because there are energy savings, which means that we're reducing our carbon footprint. And 3, I think there's a sense of pride of being at the leading edge of something, helping to develop new technologies that make our communities better.
This Smart Meter pilot program shows what is possible in the future because it's already here in South Bend today.
Our customers want this information. Our customers want to be green. They want to know how to affect their usage.
So we're putting an infrastructure in place today against the context that the world is going to be changing significantly during the next 20 years, that we'll be able to interoperate and be able to leverage those future innovations.
These are revolutionary times. We're really talking about an energy internet. We're talking about customer empowerment.
As America prepares to become grid smart, this pilot will serve as a blueprint for building an intelligent electrical grid, one that will help customers save money, use energy efficiently, and protect the environment, all while enhancing the ability to provide a more reliable and sustainable supply of electricity for the future.